Hi, welcome to my final project for TechX 101. Today I will be talking about 3D printing and my first project. So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. 3D printing is achieved using additive process. In the additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. 3D printing allows you to produce complex shapes using less material than manufacturing methods. Currently, 3D printing is being used in almost all industries you can think of. A few examples are cosmetics, industrial products, movie props, and in reconstructing fossils. There are many ways to start your project. You can choose to design it on your own using a design software such as Fusion 360, or create a 3D model using photos, or download a printable file from websites. For my first project, I chose a spinning cube and I got my file from My Mini Factory. The second step is slicing your project and converting it into a STL file. So use the software Cura, which simplifies the process of 3D printing preparation. The STL file describing the object must be transferred to the machine software in order to adjust the size and orientation of the object. The software tells you how much time the print will take as well as how much material will be used. It took 9 hours and 27 minutes for my spinning cube to print. Cura exports the object in a G-code file. The next step is 3D printing. In this, you export the G-code file to USB drive and insert it in the 3D printer where you select which file will be printing. The printer will heat up and it will start by creating the first layer, which is called the raft, and then successive layers on top until the object is created. The raft is taken off at the end and thrown away. It is not exact to the size of the objects as it extends a little bit more than the other layers. Post-processing is what is done to the object after it is printed to improve the object. This is the last step. Post-processing can be summed in 5 steps: cleaning, fixing, curing, surface finishing, and coloring. It is not always necessary for an object to require all post-processing techniques. Some objects can also not use any. In my project, I had used cleaning as I had additional supporting materials that had to be removed. I used a wire cutter to remove the additional material. Thank you for listening, and now I will show you my results.
Created using Powtoon.